Hey guys, welcome to Lance Fantasy Game. This is part 6 for the January 2023 Patreon STL for war models and role-playing models as well. We are in GAMAC. They do fantasy and sci-fi. You can also replace a lot of these characters for your Warhammer 40k and Age of Sigmar type games as well. We can go see what they have for sci-fi January. It looked like Space Marines, DI, a lot detailed looking Space Marine. I'll give you that right now. The Game Workshop always happy when people make better models than what they can, and people can print it for a lot cheaper and buy it for a hell of a lot cheaper as well. So this looks pretty damn cool. A lot of parse pieces, plus I bet a lot of these pieces are interchangeable with actual your Warhammer stuff as well. Miss some of the pieces, or you want to make it look a little bit cooler or different. For that, let's see what the fantasy is. We got some Sphinx with a big crack in his face. So we have some kind of a humanoid and sorcerer. So I think these are elves. I think these are Eldars that we're going. Yeah, Eldars. Looks like it. But it looks pretty damn good for it as well. Gonna get that. Chicho STL set. These are by DC or anime style. Still trying to figure it out. It's locked. So you have Superman, but the welcome pack is Thor, crazy looking Snow White with a knife, with a big ass sword, Chung-Li, and Storm. Welcome pack for it. I don't see anything what's happening for January. Next figure. Continue. Probably wouldn't get much out of it. No, they want my money. And I'm like, no, you gotta show me what you got. I won't give you money until you show me what you got. That's how I'm not paying $1 to see what you're peeking in there. We got Kutan figurines. So we have Gremlins. Looks like it. It's coming out. The Uruguay and the Gremlins, I think they're kind of cool to have, but in a game setting, I think they're very easy to kill. Roni Kenshin, this is what I'm interested in. This is a live action Roni Kenshin. I'm not that interested in. I want the animated version of Roni Kenshin. Yeah, I tried watching the live action, but I did not really care for it. Oh shit! I gotta hide this from Ashley. Thorn Oaken Shield bust. Why loves throwing Oaken Shield. I must hide that from Ashley. Ashley must never know. So we have James Bond, Avatar, Cheney, Thorn Oaken Shield, and Roni Kenshin for January lineup. Hide it from Ashley. Don't let her know. Thorn Oaken Shield can hear me through it back there because I'm pretty damn loud. The Dragon Tapered Lodge, right, of the Farmomancer. What? So it's like, what, farm magic? Is that what it is? So, there you go. Big ass pig carrying a little cow. God damn. I do want to print these big ones, but I got a lot more stuff I really have to print first. So we have like cow puffs and flying pigs. Oh, look, that's funny as hell. So we have some farm stuff, right? So it's like Animal Farm. Ever read a book called Animal Farm? So you have the Yoshi, Merfolk, sheep. Yeah, big ass pigs. This would be interesting to print. Spelton the Fifth. Yeah, this could be a cool thing. You have your chimera, your chicken, your cow dragon, and your pig. I don't know what the hell that is. Your farmer with a pitchfork. I can summon. That's a rooster. That's gotta be some serious shit. You have these big ass. Looks like they're not. They look like trinkets. I don't know what they are. What kind of think they are? got your flying pigs. And your cockatrice. Looks like this is their version of their cockatrice. I have no idea what the fuck that is. That looks fucking weird and grotesque. Some kind of a mammal and an insectoid fused together. More cockatrice. It's like a raptor version of a cockatrice. And you have your cow folk with your udder coming out. Oh god, and you have your rabbit folks too. A lot of rabbit folks. You have your I forgot these guys. They play them. You have them. They're mostly like assassins and thieves. There you have it. I don't think I saw what's the throwback was, but yeah, there you have it. You have your piggies. Hell Creator. What is this month's going to be? Looks like their character ones. I have no idea what the hell that is. Look up. We have Freya, Belmont, and I don't know who the hell this guy is. But Freya, like a magical jellyfish or something. Freya's good. I wasn't really a big Castlevania fan. I did beat God of War though. There's Belmont. I have no idea who the hell. I think that's probably the guy from Metal Gear or Overwatch. I'll go with Metal Gear. Next is Broken Anvil. Let's see if they finally releasing something for January. Nope, nothing for January. Primal Beast feeling. Let's see if they're releasing anything for January. No, they're not. Yeah, some of these people just stop. I'm taking a vacation. Nope, no updates. I'm just going to hiatus. Hybris Studio. For January Touch, we have Valkyrie Profile, Chainsaw Man, and OC Pan Rem We. We're still working on it, but we got this one that looks really good. I really wish, funny thing is that the color that they actually painted? It's just 3D module of it. It's just kind of funny if you can actually copy it in actual real life painting it. Painting just the right paint colors. This guy's gone. Anime Girls List. Let's see what we got. So you have this. I have the actual figure in my garage, so I made an actual model of it. Rakia sexy version. I never watched this anime for it as well, but you got the fully clothed one as well. But it looks like it won't be that hard to paint it. And you have your Rick his weapon. You print that out for your cosplay. But I do need to get. I do have pearl mix with the black and get that done too. Necron Hall is going to be shared with you at the link post. Okay. So you got the Necromancer Hall. I thought they were supposed to release it last month, but I guess no, I didn't be for this month. So I'm gonna have to get that Necromancer Hall for it. I need to get all of this. So I can actually like hopefully a one-shot game. It's going to eat a lot of resin, but it will be a cool one-shot game to do for it. Not like this, better than virtual tabletop. I do play virtual tabletop due to the fact that it's very hard to get people nowadays that's going back to work and stuff. So this is one of those things that I really want to do. But this would be pretty good as well. But all these terrain pieces you can reuse for a lot of things. But we only play our D&D game every other week, so this is pretty cool looking. I do like the walls, and hopefully, easy to take apart. because I never printed a lot of pegs or walls or ring. But I'm pretty much going to do it. It's just going to need a lot of resin. That's what I'm going to have to do. Well, anyhow, guys, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy store down the link below. And let me know down in the comments which one you do like. And I hope you guys have a great day, guys. Take care. See you guys later. Bye.